being on YouTube is like a university to me, as I risk and take some nights studying how to film the videos, and this encouraged me to post this video. And as you're going to like this video, it will show that I've been working hard. You are appreciating my hard working. Please press the button of like, and please subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to share, or maybe you can comment something that I have missed and or appreciate my effort. Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you very much for coming back. I'm so excited that you are coming back to see my video. Maybe this video has been popping on your screen, and please watch this video. Do not skip this video. And I made this video for people who are really curious to get to East African countries. So this is one of the best video that I'm going to make for you, and don't really skip this video because I'm going to speak something important, and this video will be full English, and I am going to recommend you something very in the middle of the video. You need to watch this first, and you're going to get what I'm going to talk about. Thank you very much again for the first video of having 1,000 subscribers. And I think that making video on YouTube is not only the fact of having views or maybe many subscribers, but the fact is when you are on YouTube, you gain more experiences, and you get to see yourself how you can develop your filming skills, recording skills, voice skills, and many things also. So being on YouTube is like a university to me, as I risk and take some nights studying how to film the videos, and this encouraged me to post this video. And as you're going to like this video, it will show that I've been working hard. You are appreciating my hard working. Please press the button of like, and please subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to share, or maybe you can comment something that I have missed and or appreciate my effort. Thank you very much again. And this video I made for the people who want to travel to East Africa, and I'm going to highlight something very important, since some of the countries are likely to be known as chaotic disorders, but it's something that I'm going to discover for you and to show you some things very interesting about East African countries. If I talk about East African countries, you know what the countries I'm talking about. How many countries in East Africa? And East Africa has community, and these communities are including many countries. But the fact that I'm going to tell you to recommend five countries in East Africa, please do not skip this video. Okay, then let's get started to the video. So the main point of filming this or recording this video is to show you how many countries, or the beauty of these 5 countries that you have to visit in. I'm exactly going to tell you the top one on my list is Burundi. Burundi is a beautiful country, and also it has beautiful places you can visit, especially when it's get on food restaurant, and the aroma of the food is very interesting. So once you get to visit, or you're planning your next trip to Burundi, so you can pick some provinces or counties in Burundi. I can recommend you to visit first Bujumbura, and Bujumbura is quite easy because the airport is located in Bujumbura, and the fun fact, the airport is close to the lake. You can get to feel the wind and the breeze of the lake. The number 2 on my list is Congo. Congo is a beautiful country too, and when you get to visit Congo, don't forget to visit Kinshasa. Kinshasa is a beautiful city too. It has nice people, and the culture, the beauty of the people, how the people are warm, welcoming to the foreigners. And this is what I'm going to recommend you. Please do not visit Congo and left behind Kinshasa. Kinshasa is a beautiful place for everyone to go and visit. And the number 3 on my list is going to be Uganda. Uganda is one of the beautiful countries as well. It has the beauty and it has the national park reserves, and this parks has animals that is very interesting, and I can recommend you to visit these places. And the most important you have to visit is Kampala. Kampala has beautiful cities. It's popular for its beautiful nights and people. It never get boring at night, and people work 24 hours. And if you get to visit Uganda, don't forget to go to Kampala. The number 4 on my list is going to be Tanzania. Tanzania is a beautiful place too. It has many islands as well. It has beautiful beaches, and it has nice parks, and it has the sanctuaries. I don't know that the sanctuaries of chimpanzees, and also if you want to visit to watch chimpanzees or amazing or wildlife animals, you can just also visit Tanzania. Tanzania has beautiful places, and also people likes to visit Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is a nice place where people hike, and people have planned to have experience of hiking. Although you're not going to get to the top of the mountain, it's not that necessary, but the place around Kilimanjaro is totally dope. Yeah, so the number 5 on my list is as the last one that I can recommend you to visit. That one is, guess what? Rwanda. Rwanda is a beautiful place also, and it has beautiful sanctuaries where you can find gorillas and where you can find many type of animals. And I can recommend you to visit Rwanda. And Rwanda is popular for its safety and its beautiful nights, and people keep working at night, and bars are not closing, and it has a beautiful means of transportation, so you can't get lost or get boring. And what I can recommend you to Rwanda is to get to learn the culture and taste the food. It's local a little bit, and transportation that are not that expensive. You can get to try that one. And the last one of Rwanda, you can also visit some places like Kivu, and you can also visit some places like Kigali. Kigali is the city capital, and you can get to know people from there and learn their culture. And about the video that I'm talking on some media's news or maybe rumors, they say that some countries' safety is not that really good, but I can assure you that if you get to visit these countries, you will probably find that is rumors, But the most important is to know that whenever you're traveling, you're getting experience, and do not fear of, rumors, but get there to see by yourself. I can see some vloggers, white vloggers, black vloggers, and I'm sorry for that, but people are going there to work and give bad reputation because of the views. But the most important, they don't show you the culture. They don't show you what is very important that they can inspire you to get a visit there. I just forget last countries. I'm sorry. That is Kenya, and Kenya has a beautiful city too. I'm sorry, people from Kenya. And if I miss that one, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope that this video has highlight something. And it's also, I made this video for welcoming people, new people, and to listen, to get to know my video, to get to know my face. And also I have a hope that you're going to watch more of my videos, and do not skip and like, so that you can show me love. Thank you very much. See you to the next video, and please watch this video as much as you can and share with other people. Do not skip it, and I hope to see you to the next video.